Toyota likes to be always somehow different. This time, an amazing competition is done by the Hilux in Thailand. The story goes on a Toyota Hilux which tries to pull a 210 tons 3 mining truck. Although it's impossible, but Hilux examined its towing limits. Toyota Hilux is the best-selling pickup in the world. Should do something to impress the community and attract attention once more. So, Toyota Thailand managed a pulling competition for this truck against a giant truck. And hopefully, Hilux didn't let Toyota down. We should accept not every regular Hiluxes could do such a thing. The one here is also the top range of these truck model. Just the top model, without any other tunes or the powertrain or other accessories except from the tires which are more robust and an extra weight in the box for better traction. In Thailand, Hilux has a 2.8 turbo diesel engine which with the recent update can have 204 horsepower output and also 500 Newton meters of torque. Also, the transmission system is a 6-speed automatic one plus one reducer on 4x4 traction system as it's necessary for pulling things. The standard brake towing capacity is 3,500 kilograms or 3.5 ton. As it is shown on the video, by the first efforts, Hilux has some difficulties, but when the truck starts moving, there is nothing else left to do by Hilux.